How to extend the Zoom meeting time limit. I am going to show you how you can easily extend the Zoom meeting time limit. First, open your Zoom application on your mobile device. By default, every Zoom meeting is about 40 minutes long. However, if you want to extend it, here is what you can do. Switch to Zoom Pro by tapping on More. Select your preferred plan. Basic offers meeting up to 40 minutes per meeting. Pro costs $12.49 per month billed annually or $14.99 billed monthly with additional features. Then, there is Business at $18.32 with its own set of features. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, preferably one with a longer time limit to extend your meeting. Tap on Sign Up. Verify your age by entering your birth year, then tap on Continue. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. Retrieve and enter the code sent to your email address, then tap on Verify. Provide your first name and last name and create a password. Select the age group for which your organization provides service. Once all the details are entered, tap on Continue. Confirm your details by tapping on Continue again. Enter your organization's information. After completing all the steps, your account will be created, and you can now extend the Zoom meeting time limit. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.